Hi, it's Chris again from Amelia Island Fishing Guides. Today we're going to cover cleaning out your reel. A lot of times when you're in the surf, salt water, salt air is not good for your fishing reels, so they tend to get sandy. So today we're going to take this Penn Spin Fisher top of the line reel apart and clean it. First thing you're going to need is some Penn grease. That's what it looks like. Comes in a 2-pack with Penn Precision Oil. It's about $8 to $10, I think, at Walmart. You're going to need a stack of Q-tips. First thing we're going to do is going to undo the drag. Okay, so as we open that up, you can see it's got some dirt in it, a little bit of sand. It's got some grease in there. First thing I like to do is just take a little towel very gently, and just wipe that top of that off. Take a Q-tip, slide it in there, clean that all off. Okay, now it looks much better, much better. Okay. Then I'm just going to take a little dollop of the grease. It comes with a brush. I don't like to use the brush because it's not as precise. Grab myself a new Q-tip, spin it in the grease, get it on there, and just run it around the edge there. That's right. Just put it right around the edge. Okay, get it all on there. There you go. That part's done. If you look at the inside where that drag was, you can see all that sand and dirt in there. Okay, you're going to use a couple of Q-tips when you do it. It's all right. Okay, once you get that all cleaned out, you do the same process. Get a dollop of the grease, put it in there. I like to just put a whole lot, like just get it all in there. You can't put too much in there. Just wipe the edge of the reel off. There we go. That's done. Now take this cap off, turn it upside down, and look inside there. You'll see that all in here, this has got all, looks like little grains of sand. Go ahead and clean that out. Use your Q-tip. Be very gentle over here that you don't bend any of the pieces, okay? I don't like, some people like using compressed air. I don't like using it because I think it's too harsh. Just blow on it, wipe it out. Same process. Get your grease, put it down in there. Put it all in there like that. That's perfect, okay? Blow on it. Okay, then when we look at the opposite part, right here, there's just not, this one's not too bad. So you can see that the lubricant's gone on there. So we want to get all those little residue out of there. Then we're going to take the lubricant, I like putting it on the screws, down at the bottom, all the way around. Okay, just like that. Any moving part, you want to make sure that it's lubricated on a regular basis. Now the other thing that I do with the oil is once you open that oil up, I like to put it on any moving parts on the outside. So screw heads, you know, just a drop. Okay, just a drop there. You can just wipe it off with your washcloth. Okay. Then I've taken the handle off over here and already cleaned it. Take the opposite handle off here. Get that open there. It's not too torqued down. There we go. You can hear it sometimes. You'll hear that sand in there. Clean it out with a Q-tip. Same thing. Do the other side real quick. Get a little bit of lube. Put it in there like that. Around the edges. All in here. Same thing. And screw that lid back on. That's ready to roll. Drop that top back on there. Okay, take your drag, put it back in, tighten it down clockwise, and you're good to go. All that's ready to roll again. Thanks.